hear that? It is the sweet sound of demo day. Hey guys, it's Kat.
And crew, and guess what?
It's demo day! Or demo week, month, year, I don't know.
But it's going down.
Guys, things are finally getting started here at our new home.
Yeah.
As you guys saw in our last video, the home tour, there are a lot of renovations that need to get done to make this place our dream home.
And I'm not a handyman at all, so a lot of the major things are being taken care of by the contractors, while Kathy and I focus on things that are easy enough for us to do.
Yeah, so the first thing we want to get started are those kitchen cabinets.
Yeah.
They're in pretty good shape, so we're just going to reface them and give them a fresh new look.
So we're just gonna start by removing all the cabinet fronts and getting them out of the way. And then I'm gonna grab a palm sander and begin removing the glossy finish to prep them for painting. And only having a round palm sander didn't help when it came to hitting those corners. So if you're taking on a task like this, do yourselves a favor and get a corner palm sander.
You know, we started off thinking this was like the easiest thing that we could do.
Yeah,
but
and honestly, I think this is the moment that I realized that I'm not cut out for this job.
Yeah, honestly, it was a lot harder than we thought it was gonna be. We worked at it day by day, but it's just a longer process than we expected.
Right.
And we honestly considered just ripping the cabinets out in total, buying new ones, but this is honestly just the most affordable option. It's gonna save us thousands of dollars, and they're in great condition as they are. So hopefully it'll be all worth it. But next, we just need to take measurements for the cabinet doors and take a trip to a few stores to see what options we have. This has been a little more difficult than we thought because not all stores have the option just to buy the cabinet doors. So we're still on the hunt.
But the good news is the contractors finally got over to our property, and the first thing they did was put in a new back door.
Guys, I can't even express how excited I was when that door came in.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I felt like the heavens opened up. And it was just like things were finally getting started. So it was like our dream was finally starting to come to pass. Oh, so excited. So while that's being installed, Sean and I are gonna take on another easy job and head upstairs to remove those filthy wall-to-wall carpets in every room.
So first we're gonna cut the rugs up and remove the padding underneath them. Then I'm just gonna throw it out the window into the dumpster, which hopefully I don't throw my bag out with it.
Guys, just seeing that small transformation was so exciting. It made such a difference in that space. And it kind of got rid of that old carpet smell too. In the meantime, we have to finalize our ideas for the flooring options upstairs. So we have a few ideas, so finalizing those options are at the top of our to-do list.
Yeah, but now we gotta get to those walls.
Do you hear that? Do you hear that? It is the sweet sound of demo day. The walls are coming down today. We're so excited. We had no idea that this was happening today, so I just packed up the car, like you guys probably already saw, with a bunch of boxes. So we can start moving things in here in the basement. This wall right here is about to come down in a little bit. Parts of this wall is coming down too, so we can kind of open it up. The wall in the kitchen is going down, so we can turn that into a breakfast nook. An island is gonna go right over there. So that's coming down, and then the hallway wall is coming down, and it's gonna be so beautiful when you just like walk in and you see the entire house. So right over here, this is coming down. It's gonna open up the entire space. Things are happening. So the contractors are starting by demoing the master bathroom first and removing that bathtub to make room for a spacious stand-up shower. Oh, that just made our vision for it really start to come to life, to just see that open space.
And obviously this is our first home, so you know we have to be the first ones to knock down that wall. Bring that wall down! What kind of...
I think I found my new way to vent. Oh we let the professionals come in and do their thing, and man, when them walls came down, I could have just cried. I could not contain myself.
Seeing how open it was in here was crazy. Like, yo, is this real?
I know, just like standing in the living room and just like picturing us having our family dinners and like going to the living room and laying on the couch with my hot cocoa, and ooh, I just can't wait. Oh, I'm so excited.
So we had the guys remove that awkward wall in the hallway, and man, that did it for me. The light coming in from the front door alone just made a difference in the hallway.
So far we have both bathrooms demoed, living room wall down, and hallways completely opened. And last but not least, we have the kitchen wall that will open up the space to the breakfast nook.
And then of course, like any renovation, we had a problem.
So when we opened up the wall, we found a pipe that led from floor to ceiling where our kitchen island is supposed to go. At first we thought it was gonna be an easy removal, but then we realized that that's the water source that leads to our laundry room upstairs.
Yeah, so we had to bring in our contractor, Tony, on this one.
Yeah.
The only way to do it is to potentially run it, is to do a chase here in this corner and run the pipes up, over, and then in the wall and upstairs. That's the only way to have it on this wall.
And is that expensive?
Plumbing's expensive. Yeah. So anything can be done, it's just a matter of money.
Yeah.
Laundry room in the basement?
How dare you? That's 3. You're already complaining about your back hurting, old man.
So we don't really have many options here. We're either giving up the laundry room upstairs and putting it in the basement, or rerouting the pipe and putting it along the wall, which could cost thousands of dollars.
Yeah, so after we talked about it for a little bit, we decided we're just gonna get a plumber in here and have them reroute the pipe and have our laundry room upstairs. And honestly, guys, I know that having a laundry room in a house is a blessing in itself. We've spent so many years having to go to a laundromat. So whether it's downstairs or upstairs, it doesn't really matter. But I think about the convenience factor. It is so much easier.
Our bedrooms are right there.
Our bedrooms are right there, the bathroom's right there, you know, and it's a great resale feature too, and we do decide to sell the house. So I think it's the best decision for us, and it'll save Sean's back, you know? With all that carrying the laundry.
Carrying all the laundry
Downstairs 3, nah.
Can't do it no more.
I'm thinking about it.
Yeah, I think we made a great decision. They put an LVL beam in there because it was a load-bearing wall, so now we have an open space, all that natural light coming in. Couldn't get any better than this.
But that's it, guys. There's been so many changes, and honestly, this has been such a long process. We just want to be in here already, but God is working on our patience as this house honestly just gets to being everything that we've dreamed of it being. So I hope you guys stay along for the ride, and make sure you guys tune in, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the bell button so you're notified whenever we post a new video and you're not left behind. And we'll see you in the next one. Mwah. Be blessed.